everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a super interesting topic, one that affects almost every part of our daily lives, information and communication technology or ICT. Now, you might be wondering what exactly is ICT, how does it shape our society, and most importantly, where would be without it? Well, let's break it down. So ICT is basically a combination of telecommunication, computers, and software that allow us to access, store, and share information. Imagine a world without smartphones, social media, or even the internet. Yeah, it's hard to picture, right? That's because ICT is what keeps us all connected. From simple text message to complex artificial intelligence system, ICT has evolved a lot. Back in the day, people relied on the telegraph and telephone. Now, we have cloud computing, big data, and even a lot, where everybody objects like fridge and watches are connected to the internet. ICT plays a huge role in different sectors. In education, it powers online learning platforms like Google Classroom. Business use it for e-commerce, digital marketing, and remote work. And in healthcare, ICT makes telemedicine and electronic health records possible. Pretty cool, right? But of course, it's not all perfect. We have challenges to like the digital divide, where some communities don't have access to proper technology. There's also the rest of cybersecurity threats and every reliance on technology. Imagine if the internet suddenly shut down. So, where we go from here? ICT is shaping our future.